Hey everybody, Bill at Mnpctech. I just had to share this mod with you. This is straight out of a mad scientist's laboratory. Mnpctech's designer Cheapskate has once again taken PC water cooling to dizzying heights with his latest creation. An incredible reservoir and Distro-Plate combo that's too good to be real. It has 2 Helix spirals? How did he do that? With Cheapskate, you just never know what wild ideas are going to come roaring out of his mad genius monkey brain and his workshop. All you know is it's going to knock everyone else's work right out of the ballpark. So what are you waiting for? Go check out this remarkable PC built from scratch and let your jaw drop in amazement as well. I've posted a link in the video description so you can check out the full work log. Say hi, mention you saw this video, and support him. This thing is just... it's insane.